Hi, this is Presh Talwalkar, and today I'm going to explain why 2% milk is really 34% fat. We'll start by taking a look at the nutrition label for milk. The name 2% milk refers to a measure of milk fat by weight. This is calculated by taking the total weight of fat and dividing it by the total weight of food. So we know that 2% milk is 2% milk fat by weight. But that's not the relevant measure for dieters. Most people are curious, how much of this fat does it contribute to my daily total? By that measure, the 5 grams of fat are actually 8% fat by daily value. A final measure is that most dieters care about calories, and they want to know what percentage of the calories are coming from fat. What happens when we take a look at this measure? 2% milk has 42 calories from fat, and it has 125 calories. Surprisingly, we find out that 2% milk is actually 34% fat by calories. Now you may wonder why 2% milk goes by the name of 2% milk fat by weight rather than the 8% fat by daily values or the 34% of fat by calories. And just saying this out loud makes you realize that the number which was picked was the lowest one. It sounds a lot better to call it 2% milk than to call it 34% fat. This is a game that other food products use as well. Hebrew National Beef Franks advertises that it's 97% fat-free. And that's because it's true that it's only 3% fat by weight. But when you look at the percentage of fat by calories, it's actually 25%. And this somewhat makes sense that you wouldn't necessarily think that beef franks are a low-fat food. Other food items also claim that they're very high percentage of fat-free. And again, they're true because it's fat-free by weight, but not fat-free as a percentage of calories. So there's a game theory lesson here, which is that foods that advertise health claims are signaling that they're not healthy enough that they could survive without these claims. So the counterpoint is that if you want to look for foods which are actually fat-free, you're going to want to look for foods which don't advertise at all. And that means you should probably stick to fruits and vegetables. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. You can follow me on my blog, Mind Your Decisions, or on Twitter at Presh Talwalkar, and get my ebooks at Amazon.